Dave Patterson, head boy. Nice to meet you.
Hi, welcome to Programmer. I'm Dan. I believe you saw our video online? Okay, brilliant. Well, I'm going to take you on a tour now and just get a bit of a feel for the place. So if you'd like to follow me. Here we are now at the Ashley Thorne building. The Ashley Thorne building is the newest addition here at Paul Grammar School, and it's home to the LRC and the Drama Centre, as well as a number of music rooms.
Sorry, Dan, could you just get the door for me? Hi, sorry about this.
Head boy. So yeah, if you'd like to follow me now, we're going to go through and have a look at the LRC. Now this here is our LRC. What's an LRC? Well, basically, this here is our library. On this ground floor, we have non-fiction, and on this floor, we have non-fiction books.